What is up, guys and girls? This is probably my fourth time recording this video, but I'm gonna show you guys and girls something that the homies down by MeterPlugs supported your boy with. So the homies down here at MeterPlugs, be sure to like them on the Facebook like page. That's where they hit your boy up, or I hit them, and we converse. And yeah, they really showed support to me, so I'd really appreciate if you would like their page for them. And also go to their website here at MeterPlugs.com if you're interested in buying the Loudness Penalty or other plugins that they have. Oh, I remember the K meter. That's cool. I've seen it on YouTube. But they have a loudness meter, the K meter, which is a different form of meter, a dynameter. So I guess it's showing dynamics. Yeah, see the dynamics. And perception, eliminate loudness deception. So that's cool. I may have to look into that a little bit more too. And while we're on it, here's the homie's project that I'm using, the homie VVX. I really appreciate it if you guys and girls go ahead and like or follow him on Instagram. He may be posting some music as the time goes on. He had to go through a lot of stuff just to get the music gone through. Like, I don't know, it's kind of hard out there in China. So support the boy, man. He's been doing a lot of moves. But this is his project here. And I basically recorded multiple videos. One didn't have the sound at all, so the next one had sound, but I was covered over it. The third one was messed up. So here's the fourth one where the song is going to be extremely low. What we're going to look at, though, is the numbers that we'll see on the plugin. Sorry, I didn't even show the plugin since the beginning of the video, but that's the plugin right there. And I'll also be showing you a limiter so we can visually see what's happening. And I'm taking the ceiling, putting it all the way up so nothing gets adjusted. Yeah. For those who don't know, though, there is a website called loudnesspenalty.com, and I use this every single time I master someone's song just to check it up and make sure that the signals are good or in a relative nice place. So the thing that would be is that I would read my device's meter, the loudness units. I would export the song. I would send it to this website, the same one, Loudness Penalty. Just drag and drop the WAV file. This is not a WAV file, obviously. And then it'll process the audio. It will never upload the song. It'll just process it and give you the numbers that we would see here. It'll show the numbers there. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna play through the whole song. I'm gonna like jump cut after. So we're gonna hit play, and you're gonna see this device do the work, or the plugin do the work. I'm gonna load this down because it's pretty loud. If you could see it in the meters. All right, cool. So you can see Spotify's moving, iTunes moving, Pandora's moving. YouTube is not moving. These are not moving for the moment, but you're gonna see the numbers are changing, as we see right now, as the song is being played. Now take note, this is not the loudness units. This is just what is gonna be happening to the song in terms of decibels for adjustments of the song after it's exported and you upload it to, say, iTunes or Spotify, or you make it into a video and put it on YouTube. Or I don't know what Deezer is, but These Nuts is gonna convert it and change it, and it's gonna say it's gonna be a little bit lower than it is right now, as we barely can hear now. If I put it to 100%, y'all ears would be something else. Actually, I'll do it. So brace your ears. I'm gonna, yeah, just brace your ears.
Put my hands up on your hips, strip, strip. Yeah, shorty so thick, lick, just a tip, drip, drip. Don't quit, yeah, do it like this, like this, like this, like.
So yeah, I'm putting it down -44. Screw that, it's too loud, ain't it? That's because it's mastered, obviously. Anyways, by the time this gets to the end of the song, we'll get our results that we will, be waiting for. But you can see it's adjusting it on the fly. And the reason why it has to go to the end of the song is obviously for loudness units, you need the average of the whole song in terms of the loudness units there. And yeah, so we gotta wait till the end of the song. Hi, cat. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe, by the way. Actually, I forgot, this is just the project that I worked on for him, so I could just literally take the song from the WAV file and just drag it in. So that's what I'm gonna do. The song is almost done anyways, so yeah, that'll skip us the whole process. I'm gonna drag the WAV file, as you see it said WAV file, and we're gonna see the final output numbers. So it's almost near the end there. So that's the numbers, and look at that, right? It's the same numbers. So cool, that's how this thing works. It previews the whole song in real time and gives you the average. Now the preview will show you what will happen once the song is adjusted to the certain loudness, which we'll visually see. I don't want y'all to break your eardrums or anything based on this video. So I'm gonna boost the hell out this song and hit play, and you're gonna see over time, which I'll just get straight to the meat and bones. There you go. You can see this thing is giving some big numbers, and it's showing us some big fat waveforms too. Matter of fact, let's get even bigger, right? Oh god. So what the preview will do is actually drop the decibels for the song in order to give you a visual representation of what is going to happen. So take note of the waveform, and I'm gonna hit preview, and right now it's previewing on YouTube. You can see the whole thing drop down, and you can still see the square go off. Well, it's practically because the limiter here, because it's overbearing it, but yeah. The same thing could apply if it's in the negative region, or if it says plus, it'll actually gain it up. So you can see I hit reset there. It's at a really low volume. It says +8, +8.1. If I hit preview, I click on Spotify first, then I hit preview. It says it'll increase the gain. So look over here, it's actually going above 0 on the decibel line. So that's pretty interesting to see. But it's boosting the song to compensate. The adding and reducing is what the the platform is going to do. So if you were to export the song right now with these settings and send it to iTunes, it will boost that song up by 6, units, whatever unit it may be. Keep in mind though that this plugin, the Loudness Penalty Analyzer, is just an analyzer. It is not going to encode the song into a certain format and show you or make you hear what it's gonna sound like. It's just showing you a visual representation of what is gonna happen, and it's dropping down in terms of the decibels. However, for iTunes, it'll actually encode the format from a WAV file into a AAC format, Advanced Audio Codec, I believe. If not, then Apple Audio Codec, AAC, ACC 123. Let me be. So it's not encoding songs. It's not converting the songs. It's just showing you the numbers that the songs, the platforms would change to. If you want, Apple does have its own plugin, but you got to have like a Mac computer to use it, so I can't use it. It's a plugin that actually converts it on the go and gives you the how it will sound with the song. So yeah, just Google it, you'll find it. AAC iTunes converter LUFS, you'll find it. The auto gain function, if I were to just highlight over it, automatically update preview gain once per second. So I guess that it'll like boost up every time it updates, or down. Not too sure. I haven't really used it, I'll be honest. I don't think the auto gain is doing anything for me, but maybe if I hear it with louder hearing, it'll probably show me like barely a difference. The main part is that you get to see what these platforms will do to your song after you set the mastering to it. So if you need to, you could adjust the master, replay it, and see it all here instead of exporting the song, putting it on the website, seeing if you need to adjust something, adjust here, export the song, upload, rinse and repeat. That's tedious. That's too much work, and it's a lot of time wasted on your side, where you could just use the analyzer, play it, meter yourself or look at yourself while you're going through it, and then adjust accordingly. Let me know if this is going to be beneficial to you guys and girls who do LUFS or want to check out things. If you have this plugin already, let me know. I'll be interested to hear your opinions too, as well as everyone else in the comment section below. And once again, a big shout out to the homies down at MeterPlugs. Like their page, as I said. Check out their website. They have plugins here. And yeah, thank you so much, MeterPlugs, for supporting your boy. I'm going to have this video out for y'all. And that's about it. Like, subscribe, hit that notification to stay tuned. I'll see you guys and girls on Monday. It is your boy, Justin Omoi. And peace. And as usual, please have yourselves a damn good one.